Discover London's iconic landmarks with the ultimate hop-on, hop-off London Big Bus Tour. Hey everyone! Welcome to London! Today, I'm taking you on an epic journey through the city's most iconic landmarks with the hop-on, hop-off London Big Bus Tour. Let's explore together, and I'll show you why this is the ultimate way to see London. Let's hop on! First stop, Buckingham Palace. This is where the famous changing of the guard happens. And guess what? With the Big Bus Tour, you can easily hop off here, take your time soaking in the royal vibes, and then hop back on when you're ready. So convenient! Next, we're cruising past the River Thames and stopping at Tower Bridge, one of the most iconic sites in London. The top deck of the big bus gives you the best view, no filter needed for these photos. Here's a pro tip: use the Big Bus app to track buses and plan your stops. Don't forget to grab the free audio guide for cool facts about the city. Oh, and bring a scarf if you're riding the open top in winter. It's chilly but worth it. I love this part of the tour. Covent Garden is full of life, street performers, boutique shops, and the best snacks. The Big Bus Tour lets you explore neighborhoods like this while giving you the freedom to hop back on any time. After a full day of exploring London, I'm back at my stay, Grand Plaza Serviced Apartments. It's perfect for relaxing after all that sightseeing, especially if you're traveling with family or staying longer. Plus, it's just minutes from Hyde Park.